Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python easily. Getting started with Python is simpler than you might think. First, download and install Python from its official website. Next, select a user-friendly integrated development environment, or IDE, to write and run your code. Finally, familiarize yourself with fundamental syntax, including variables and common data types. These initial steps lay a solid foundation for your coding adventure. Once you have the basics down, focus on core programming concepts. Master control flow using if/else statements and various loops to manage program execution. Practice writing functions to encapsulate and reuse blocks of code, making your programs more organized. The best way to solidify your understanding is by working on small, practical projects that allow you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. As you progress, delve into more advanced Python techniques. Explore powerful data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, which are crucial for efficient data handling. Grasp the principles of object-oriented programming to build more complex and scalable applications. Don't forget to leverage Python's vast ecosystem by utilizing external libraries for specialized tasks, from web development to data analysis, significantly expanding your capabilities. Learning Python is a continuous journey, so keep exploring. Engage with online communities and forums to ask questions, share your progress, and collaborate with other developers. Make it a habit to regularly read official documentation and various tutorials to stay updated with new features and best practices. Remember, consistent practice and curiosity are key to becoming proficient. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to great deals and resources, including new books to enhance your learning experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.